Cheers. It's not a picture. On a train. We're on a train. We're on a train on Stone Mountain. We're on a train. Doo-doo-doo. We're about to leave.
We haven't moved yet.
Yeah, we have not moved yet.
When they blow the horn, you know that means they're about to move.
Oh, Gavin, it's your song. It's your song.
What did you think of the dinosaurs?
Yeah, the dinosaurs are so cool.
Did you like dinosaurs?
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, the Intermodal Market Station train. This is the final warning call for our 120 train. This is the final warning call. Unfortunately, if you guys are not already on the platform, you guys have missed this train. Please join us for our next scheduled departure at 2 o'clock.
They do that on planes too. They have multiple final warning calls.
We actually had it at a good time.
Yeah.
Because this one is really the only thing that's on a time, like golf and the dinosaurs, you can go in any time. This is really the only one that's timed.
It's so much more colorful with these off.
Well, be careful, Gavin, because if it drops out, we won't be able to get it.
Yeah, Gavin, stop. Don't do that. Because you might drop it out there, and that's not
That
good.
dinosaur would have to start learning how to live in the wild.
Yeah, because you're never going to see it again if you do that, so don't.
I think I've been scratched.
I think that dinosaur got you. Oh, be careful, not in the face.
Why would they do a final boarding call?
I don't know. If we aren't going to go, I know. They've done it twice.
And nobody can even get on because they said they missed this train. You missed this
If
train.
you're not
Well,
already
they already just let some more people on
Uh-huh.
just a couple seconds ago. They're going to do that because they need as many people to ride as they can get
Why?
to make it worthwhile. Here we go.
Well,
Finally.
what's so funny is if they're so concerned about the social distancing, why are they putting us all in one car?
Here we go, Gavin. Starting to move. I don't like that noise.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing this afternoon? Oh, come on, we can do better than that. How are we doing this afternoon? All right, that's a lot better. You guys are wondering where this voice is coming from? I'm back here on car number 5. You're more than welcome to give me a wave. Hi, guys. I'm Jackson. I'm going to be your train conductor on this ride around the mountain today. Over the course of this ride, we're going to be talking a little bit about our park and its history. But before we get to all that fun stuff, I've got a few rules to go over to make sure we have a safe ride around the mountain. They're posted at the front of your train car for you to reference throughout the ride, but they are pretty simple. Rule number 1, please remain seated while the train is in motion. Rule number 2, please keep all hands, feet, and everything else inside the train at all times. And rule number 3, for the safety and health of all, smoking is strictly prohibited on this train. So with all that out of the way, how many first-time riders do I have on my train today? Fantastic. How many returning riders? Awesome. Well, all my first-time riders, we have a bit of a tradition on the Rock Ride Railroad, something we like to do to show the engineers we're ready for a great ride around the mountain. We say, all aboard. So can I get your best all aboard in 3, 2, 1?
noise. Not a very good noise. On a train. Very bumpy ride. Are we even on train tracks? Like, do you like this?
Yeah, because we're on the train tracks.
Sorry, it is very shaky on this ride.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that horn means we're coming up on the Stone Mountain Wonka Trail. So by a show of hands, how many of you guys have done the Wonka Trail before? Fantastic. Anybody planning on doing it today?
I don't even know what that is.
Walk to the top of the mountain.
Well, to anybody interested, the walk-up trail is about a mile-long hike that takes around 30 to 60 minutes, but by the time you finish, you'll be all the way at the top of Stone Mountain, being able to see as far away as the Atlanta skyline. But if that seems like a bit of a daunting task to you, there's another way to get up the mountain. You can take the Stone Mountain Sky Ride, which will take you 825 feet in the air, all the way to the top of the mountain in just a few moments. As they either begin or finish their journey up the mountain. They need all the encouragement they can get. Walk-up trail. We've got a bit of a fun fact on our train for you guys. Did you know our train's combined weight between its engine and its cars equates to about 350 tons? That's about the size of 51 fully grown elephants, ladies and gentlemen. And guess what? These 51 fully grown elephants can go pretty fast. Up to speeds of 90 miles per hour in fact. Now, unfortunately, we will not be going